हेलो फ्रेंड्स, रिजल्ट सीरीज के एक और वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। अभी बात करेंगे बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा की। नतीजे आ चुके हैं, करीब करीब 1300 करोड़ के आसपास का प्रॉफिट पोस्ट किया है। तो रिजल्ट्स अच्छे हैं, लेकिन क्या कहानी इसकी अच्छी होगी? डिस्पाइट द गुड रिजल्ट्स, इज इट गोइंग टू किल द प्राइस एंड शूट अप? Friends, there is some suspicion and some doubt in my mind because of the price structure, which I'm going to tell you and discuss with you right now. Please watch the video till end and why and how these price levels we are able to get. Do not skip the video content, and if you are new to this channel, please go and check our old results series videos where we have discussed the price structures of multiple stocks, and above 95% or 90% of them behaved exactly same. So let's moving to the point, and the first target I'm saying and seeing in this particular stock is this. That means it is going to be downside, but when if it sustains below 87.5 for next 2-3 days, if sustains below next is 87.5 for 2-3 days, then you are likely to see a target of 87.2. So in my view, its stock is in a bearish zone as of now for the shorter term. However, अगर ये stock, if this stocks moves above 87.5, which is this swing high approximately, which is this swing high. So this is actually a supply zone swing. If you see here, this is called a supply zone swing. The swing, it's not the original swing like this, but a swing from where the price got rejected straight away. So this was the candle actually. It rejected, after which the next candle started rejecting price and stock kept falling. From the level of almost 87, it came down to this low, which is 61. So this is a big supply swing. This is called a supply swing. Supply swing. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड प्राइस स्ट्रक्चर फ्रेंड्स। उसके बिना आप कुछ समझ नहीं पाओगे। खाली ABCD MACD RSI ऑप्शन चैन ये सब चक्करों में पड़े रहोगे तो आप पूरा आपको बर्बादी की ओर ले जाएगा। प्राइस को समझिए। खाली प्राइस अपने आप में एक कहानी है। इसके अंदर महाभारत के पात्रों की तरह कम से कम 500 तरह के पात्र छुपे हैं। देयर आर मल्टीपल एंगल्स, मल्टीपल शेड्स एंड मल्टीपल स्ट्रक्चर्स इन प्राइस। इफ यू आर एबल टू मास्टर इट, you can crack the market like anything. So coming back to the point, so this is a supply swing. It could not break this time. See, it tried to break but rejected 87 to it came to almost 77. So this is a big supply zone. That's why I'm saying 87.5. If it does not come to 87.5 next 2-3 days, and if it is rejected from 87 one more time, then you will see that it is coming to 72 in days to come. Why 72? That will also I will tell you. But first let us see what it is going to do in next 2-3 days, because the results are so good, 12-13,000 crore profit, and people are going to be so bullish, brokerage house, so this that. The point is, friends, this stock is actually testing a level, testing a swing high level, supply swing, which is tested once, twice, thrice, 4-5 times, and now after the results it might open a gap up condition, 2-3 points, and just be here for one day or so. But the moment you see rejection at this point, you understand that the price is going to be bearish. मार्केट नीचे गिरने वाला है, इसका प्राइस गिरने वाला है। बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा का जो प्राइस है वो नीचे गिरने वाला है। जिस दिन आपको 87.5 के आसपास रिजेक्शन अगले 1 से 2 दिन में ही आने वाला है फॉर श्योर। उसके बाद ये पहले क्या करेगा, ये स्विंग तोड़ेगा। ये जो इसने सपोर्ट बनाया था ना, ये 77 का सपोर्ट ये तोड़ेगा। क्योंकि 77 का सपोर्ट कैसे बना, देखिए, दिस वाज अ रिजेक्शन आफ्टर, सो मार्केट मूव्स इन अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ स्विंग, lower highs. So these previous swings actually they act as a resistance. So in this case also you have a previous swing which acted as a resistance, and it tried to break, could not. Once it broke it here, it came for retesting and took support and went up. Then again there was a upside resistance of 87.2 from the supply swings. Then it came back below and again took support. Now since the results are so good, it will definitely like to go up, and it will be willing to go up. and once it reaches here we will see what is the action. If it is rejected, remember friends, if it is rejected you are going to see 72, because this level same support, if unable to break this swing high, that means the it will create a lower high, it will create a, so this is the first swing high, and the same bottom, same support, if it is an, if it is going to make a swing low or lower high in other terms, then you will see this will be broken, this level will be broken, and we will lead to 72. So friend, it's a simple structure on Bank of Baroda. This is the first, this is the support area, this is the support area, approximately 72 area. As you see here, this is a breakout structure. Every time it tried to come below this, it went up, and once it broke, again it went up. This candle broke this but could not sustain, or most of the candle 3-4 days were formed in this, within this wick of this candle, and price went up. So this is important level of 72, that's why 72. So friends, I hope you liked the video, you understood the price structure, and if you have any comment suggestion, or if you are holding Bank of Baroda, at what level you are holding, put in the comment box and I will be ready to help you and answer your questions. I'll see you in the next video with some more interesting levels and price structure of the stock. Till then, have a good day, take good care of yourselves, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye.